Hi, welcome back to the channel. Today I'm going to be looking at my 1 year anniversary on Robinhood. So here is all my activities since November 24th. And you see at the 1 year scale, just slightly bit more detail. But basically this is where I'm at after 1 year. So it looks like I'm up $46. $46. Okay, so really, this kind of shows what a dividend portfolio hopes to do. You want to basically maintain um, good level of capital. Um, there's been some dips, some ups and downs, but I got this income stream coming in, and I have 10. Right now, I'm in 10 positions. I have 10 different stocks right here. 10 stocks. GECC is my top one, 47%. I'm expecting this value to, um, the share price will go up, and it'll put me over 50%. I kind of bought in after it dipped down, so this one was kind of rough because it had this downward right here. It had a drop off where there was a capital investor that sold like 2 million. There are 2 million shares, and they sold it off, so it made the price come down. I should be trying to work hard to buy in right now, but I'm working on paying off a little bit of debt, some healthcare debt. So um, hopefully, if, if if this comes back up, which I'm expecting it to do, I'll probably miss out on a lot of this buying activity. Next one is AT&T. Oh no, I'm sorry. Next one's Kinder Morgan. 70 shares here, 15% of my portfolio. Here's the 1 year look at Kinder Morgan. The dividend on this one is going to be increased. At least that's what we're informed by management. And after that happens, I expect this price to go up to $18. So I'm trying to buy as many shares as I can before they raise the dividend again. And then after that, I'll probably sit on it. AT&T. This one I've been buying 2 shares a month, and the price has steadily been getting better. A lot of news about AT&T. They have a great dividend. Makes up 9% of the portfolio. I'm expecting next year to trend up. But we shall see. Discover. It's been a hard. It's hard to build up shares on this one, but I like Discover. It has good growth, and there's opportunities to buy in. Here you see 3 different times that were good to buy in, including right now. You could sell at these peaks, but this will eventually be a $85 stock, so I'm just holding on to it. I like the long-term prospects of Discover. Edison, I recently got into this position here on this drop-off. I sold out of Starbucks and got into Edison. Edison's got a better dividend, and I wanted to get in when the price was low, so I swapped companies there. GECC, I had bought around $4, came down, then I started buying more shares. 60 shares, only 2.9% of the portfolio though. Home companies, finance trust, it's a real estate investment here. They were actually taken over into a different company, and so they got a fresh start. And this price has been maintaining, so I'm being cautious with this one. I'm actually looking for something that looks a little bit more stable, but I do plan on keeping these shares, and we'll see how it goes. I'm being very cautious with this one though. ConocoPhillips. I have a video on this one. It shows the upper trend, how I liked it so much. But oil prices are bad right now. It's only 2.6% of the portfolio. And I'm not expecting a whole lot of growth right now. But if I can buy into the more shares to help my average cost, I will. But I'm kind of take a beating on ConocoPhillips to really be honest about it. However, I'm not panicking about it. Just maintaining. I don't have a big investment. Just $200 into this one. So I do like them enough to hold it. Target, I had a good buying opportunity to take it in Target. Retail is a little bit shaky, but I feel like this is a good retail investment. And so far, after I bought in on this dip over here, it's come up a little bit. So, not bad. I could grow this position here a little bit and feel pretty good about it. SolarWinds, this is a brand new company. Just got into this. And I like this company. Check out my video on SolarWinds to check out their IPO. See how they're going to be doing this year. And after this, we start getting into my watch list. We'll see Starbucks here. And this was a good holding of mine. One of the first stocks I bought. And once we got up to this peak here, I sold off to buy into Edison. So I'll probably do another video to check out my watch list. But in general, here's how I'm doing over my first year. Had some dips, bounced back, and I'm looking to climb on some good news, especially with the trade tariffs with China is improving. Been watching My College Millionaire. His channel is pretty interesting. I like it. I recommend his channel. He gives a lot of good stock market news. And yeah, but yeah, this is my portfolio after 1 year. Stay tuned for dividend updates on how my dividends are paying out and my watch list. So got more stuff to look at, more stocks to see what's going on in the market. And I hope you enjoy the channel. Thank you.